Awesome.
Oh my.
I'll probably edit this video and just start it from here.
All right, so I think this is my primary opt-in page.
Okay.
That I have.
Okay.
I haven't figured out how to make it pop, like pop up, like that pop-up video feature. I haven't figured that out, but this should look familiar.
Mm-hmm. It does. Looks very familiar. That's good. You were able to recreate it. That's good.
Oh, it wasn't easy though. All right. So, what would you like me to do?
Okay, so what I really want you to do, I want you to go from beginning to end. So what I want you to do, I want you to type in your domain that will take us to, is this all set? Like you have it all set from?
Yes.
Okay, so so go to a browser and just type in your domain that takes us through this process. Which domain are you using? A ClickMagic domain?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yep. So let's start from there. So this is your funnel, right? This is your funnel to your offer. So this is your capture page. Okay. So let's type in. And what did you do? You did a ClickMagic.
What I did was I went into ClickMagic. Do you want me to start with ClickMagic then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
let me bring ClickMagic over. I went into ClickMagic and I created a wrap for, well, I guess I should say I was in my crypto, what's our group's name?
Which one? Our group?
Yes. For cryptocurrencies.
Bitcoin Wealth Club?
Bitcoin Wealth Club. Okay. I was in there. Bitcoin Wealth Club have links that I'm using. One in particular, there's several that I'm using, but right now I am marketing the free course. So I went and I took that affiliate link and I created out in ClickMagic, I created a wrap for the Bitcoin Wealth Club link, which is the one down here. You see that, right?
Yep. So what you did, you just grabbed your link from your...
I just copied the link from my Bitcoin affiliate link. I put it in there, pasted it in here in the primary URL right here. And then I have a website already.
A domain.
A domain, sorry. I have a domain already, which is globalearnersclub.com. And I just took a part of I created a name like Secrets to Wealth. And it's what I call the course for the Bitcoin Wealth Club, right? And so that created this tracking link for me. You know, when I put this here, called it Secrets to Wealth, it created this tracking link for me. I previewed the tracking link to make sure it is going back to this affiliate link, this Bitcoin Wealth Club affiliate link, and everything worked fine. Would you like me to show you the preview, or you're good with that?
Yeah, let's see the preview. So this is going to your affiliate link. I'm using a masked domain, basically, so that you're not having that bitcoinwealthclub.com/?
All of this right here.
Right.
Instead of them seeing all of this, what they see is something simple as this.
globallearnersclub.com/secrets to wealth. Sounds
correct.
Looks okay, perfect.
All right.
And how did you put that domain there? Like, what steps did you take? Where did you go to figure out how to add that domain name that you have there?
Well, I learned this from our coaching. From our coaching, I learned how to, look for the tracking link and put this together. Is that what you mean?
Yeah. So did you go to the FAQs in here, like to watch the video?
I didn't have to because I learned it from our training.
Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay, good. So this is your offer. So what is the link to your capture page? Because we don't want to sell an offer outright, right? We want to brand ourselves first. So so what's the link to your capture page?
The link to my capture page, let's see.
Which is this. This is your capture page that you created in ClickFunnels. So that's why everybody needs a ClickFunnels, so that you can brand yourself, because if you're promoting an affiliate offer, it's going to just go straight to the affiliate offer, which we don't want to do that on social media, because that's how your links get blocked and banned. So you got to have something in front of that to
So what I did was, at first, to be honest, I was just using the ClickMagic wrap this information. This is what I was using in my Facebook Lives, or even on my daily quotes. This is what everybody sees. So if they go to this, go to this link, they actually get this information. Okay, and that was going directly into the Bitcoin Wealth Club tracking system, and then they sent me an email. I've got my Get Response API link connected in the Bitcoin Wealth Clubs, so it's fine. It eventually gets over to me, and I'll see the tracking on it. So what I've done so far here is I've just simply designed this this opt-in page, and then of course connected the Secret to Wealth, this link. I connected it to it here. So when they click, when they go through, when they get here, they go through and click and get to the course.
Okay.
So your question to me is, did I title this particular link?
Right. Do you have a link for this?
Did I wrap this separately? No, not yet.
Okay, not yet. Okay. But you are, right? You got the Secrets to Wealth for the actual course, and you're going to have something / something for this. So it'll go to this first and then the course. Just to brand yourself, right? Just to add a little bit more let's say curiosity for people who want, so that they just don't go straight to the course. You want them to see you want them to have some scarcity, some urgency right here. And you always want to have a capture page, even though you're not collecting emails, because that funnel is really good. It collects emails for you, which is great. So you don't really have to worry about that. But you want to have something before that. Okay, good.
All right. So I suppose the way I could do that is I can set up in ClickMagic again, I can set this link here up in ClickMagic with another subtitle, with another subtitle that is pertained particularly to the capture page.
Like you can have it globallearnersclub.com/wealth course, something like that.
Right. Yeah, that's
wealth course.
And the way I would do that then, since that's the case, I would just create a new link right here. I will take this information from here, and then I will wrap it. This would be the raw URL. And then let's say we call this Wealth Course. Name the link, Wealth Course. And then say create. Oops, please fix the error.
Oh, no spaces. In Wealth Course, you have spaces.
Oh, I do, don't I? Okay. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Wealth Course.
And now when somebody goes to Wealth Course, when somebody clicks on that link, globallearnersclub.com/wealth course, it's going to go to your capture page. Clean and leak, as opposed to clickfunnels.com/.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
And then now when I do my my ads, when I do anything that I do, it's all going to be called it's going to be well, they're creating. I have a little one knocking at my door.
So let's preview that.
Oh,
Let's make sure it's working. I want to make sure it's not in edit mode, Deborah. Do you always use this link up at the top there, or do you go? I've never used the link at the top. I've always used it.
which is this one?
Yeah, I've always used. I don't know if it's the same. I always use the link before the edit mode.
This one?
Oh, I guess
this is the preview mode.
Yeah, I don't. No, I always use. So let's exit out.
Oh,
here.
you know what? You're absolutely this one.
This link. Yeah, it's not
this one. You're right. Okay.
You're in edit mode.
Yeah, I used the wrong one. So I can easily change that by taking it from here, from the opt-in page, going back into ClickMagick and kind of changing all of that.
Yeah.
So let me show, I'm under the Well Course one. I'm going to go ahead and change the raw link so it's like that. Everything else for saves the same.
Right.
I'm going to save the changes. And that's going to put us back. So now when we test it again, and we preview Wealth Course, it's going to show the actual page without all the editing material.
Right, perfect. Got 9 days countdown. She got a timer here. Looks good. Perfect.
All right. So, all right. So that is, that's how that's set up. Let's see. I just want to close this one out. All right. So then what next would you like to see?
Okay, great. So let's go to your Facebook page now, and let's just see how you would use your links that you're creating. Let's see your Facebook Live.
Oh, that's Vitaly streaming.
Yes.
By the way, I always go to my Facebook page through the Business Manager. I never just type in Deborah E. McCoy. I don't know why. I just do it like that. Oh, wow. I have 19 notifications.
And that could be from your ManyChat, maybe.
What just happened?
Did you set up your ManyChat yet?
I have it set up, but I don't know how to work it completely. I don't know how. Well, I tested it just on myself. Okay. So I don't. This is, by the way, this is my pin post, but I'm going to change it because now I have a symbol, an actual symbol that I ordered. Remember I told you I ordered it from Amazon? So I have one. So I'm going to do that and do another photo thing and all that kind of fun stuff.
Okay. So it's just a picture? If that wasn't the actual coin?
Oh, that's a Photoshop.
Oh, look at you using Photoshop.
well, I did it in Canvas. What I was fortunate to find a Bitcoin symbol that was transparent.
Okay.
So there was no background to it.
Yeah, I thought it was really a coin. Wow.
No.
Awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah, yep, that's what that is.
Wow, 572 people saw this picture.
Yeah.
Share it. I would definitely share this in groups. I would share this. Share that.
I believe I've shared. Oh wait, let me see. I've shared it, and I can share. I've shared it a couple of times. Oh, remember I was asking you about this, where I see that I've shared it with many. Like, let's see, how many are these? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times, right? But it only shows over here that I've shared it 3 times.
Yeah.
I don't know why that
does that. But I mean, it shows that you shared it. I don't know why it does that. Sometimes it does that.
Okay.
I have no clue why.
So I've got this as my primary pin at this time. I plan to do more videos on Bitcoins and the benefits of what could happen for your wealth if you do that.
Right.
And this is one of my posts that I did, and right now I use the Secrets to Wealth link.
Mhm.
Now I'm just going to use Bitcoin Wealth, or
Right.
the other one that I created.
Both course.
I'm going to put this right here, so they can go to my capture page now.
Perfect.
All right. So that is that. This is one of my many videos that I did. Did you say you wanted to see the videos?
Let's see your videos. Let's just.
Okay. Sometimes this takes a minute to come up. Let me just do it again and see. Yeah. Seems like that's what's happening. I have a more recent video than this. I'm not sure why it's not here.
That's your featured video. You can always change that.
Oh, okay. That's my featured video. Yes. Yeah. And I featured this when I was transitioning to just marketing Bitcoins. This was my first one that I did. And so this one is in a placeholder until I find, I do another one that I like better.
That's your featured video. Okay. So it looks like your recent ones are getting much more views.
Right.
90 views, 330. So that's good. You want to watch this, and you also want to see your insights, like who's viewing your video. So click on one of your. Let me see. Click on insights up at the top next to your notifications, and be sure to go through all of your notifications. If somebody's commenting, they could be commenting on your stuff from the groups that you're sharing in. So you want to kind of like see what's going on here. So
I've never gone into this page.
Yeah, you're reaching lots more people. You're up 70%, which is awesome. And this is where you can see your post engagements are going up 85%. So this is good.
Where are you seeing this stuff?
You see down at the bottom, post engagement. You had 132 this week from October 20.
Oh, look at that.
The last 5 days. So this just lets you know, keep your momentum going. Business is all about momentum, and the more you work, the more you'll see. The more engagement you get. People are viewing your videos much more. Look at your stats; they're going up, going up, going up. So your videos are getting more views. So this is what you want, and you just want to keep it going. Keep it going. Now there's also a way. So scroll down a little bit. You can see, which of your posts are getting the most engagement. So you kind of want to like, based on what's getting the most engagement, you're going to want to kind of do more of those types of posts, like kind of recreate what you've already done, since those are the ones that seem to be the type of content that people are enjoying the most. So you want to look at these stats, go back and look at, if this was a video, look at that video, watch it again and say, what did I do in this video? To make people, just engage with this one more. And you've got a couple of them, passive income and why you should have it. So it seems like people want to know, how to make money. They want to know about income. They want to know about, having a vision and a passion. But click on see all posts.
Where at?
Videos. Yep, right there. So you see how your regular posts, don't do as well as your videos. You see that? So video is king. Video is the king of online marketing. So this one did okay. This was your Bitcoin. Okay, this is your Bitcoin one.
I think also is that I'm working out a niche I'm working on a niche.
Oh yes.
And the niche that I'm working with now is baby boomers. So between people between the ages of 45 and 65. And a lot of those people are in the baby boomers group.
Yep. So speak their language. Yep.
So that's where I think I finally figured out, that's probably who I should talk to. And so when I started posting on those groups is where I saw that I got more engagement, and that's where I started getting a couple of leads.
Perfect. So that's how you know. That's how you know. Because at first you're just trying to figure out, okay, who should I be? Remember we talked about that target audience. How old are they? What is it that they are interested in? And when you know that, what's keeping them up at night? What's bothering them? They want to make sure that they are set for retirement, that they have enough of the nest egg put away. So here you come talking about something totally new, especially with Bitcoins. Just a side note, I'm getting a lot of people who, never mentioned, even though I've been in business for 3 years, never talked anything to me about business, starting a business. A lot of people don't want to start a business, but investing and growing their money, that's something that people are interested in.
Exactly.
Yes. So, so that right there, it's like, wow. I mean, I'm having people that never, like, friends that I've had a long time ago, like, Danielle, I've always been interested in growing my money. Can you tell me a little bit more about, I'm getting those. I'm like, wow, okay, sure. So, yeah, people, especially that age group, especially that age group.
Absolutely. Because that's me. That's me and my peeps.
Right. That's right.
Me and my peeps. And we know, a lot of us think that it takes, at 60, whatever, we're gonna retire, but you got to have enough money to do it. Yep. I mean, if you're having fun with life, you're not going to want to retire, which is what my new realization is. But there's not a lot of people there. They're talking about, okay, I need enough money so that when I retire at 67, hopefully, I got enough to live off of. Right. So that's my message changed into that.
Awesome.
So that's what's happening with these videos and things. And even in I haven't figured out yet about my daily quotes. I still seem to do a lot of work to get that done. But even those things, that I want to just all be a part of, be congruent to my message.
Yep. And with your daily quotes, I don't know if you want to add another, well, we're going to be talking about this, but Instagram, like daily quotes is great for Instagram. You can have your Bitcoin link on your Instagram profile. So just, post a couple times a day on Instagram. You can schedule those too on Only Post. So yeah, you want to put those things there.
Yeah, because I posted to Instagram. I'm not an Instagram person. It's the very first time I did it, and it's only because it popped up on Facebook. And then all of a sudden I got followers. Yeah. I'm like, who do these people come from?
That's how it works. You will definitely get followers.
I was like, really? And all I did was I posted one picture. That's it. So yes, my daily quotes are that's a great idea.
Yep,
daily quotes post to Instagram.
People love quotes on Instagram. That's the highest rating thing on Instagram.
I'm thinking to, with my daily, I'm thinking to do another photo shoot where I have some more lifestyle stuff, because I've not shared my lifestyle. I wasn't on Facebook saying, oh, I went here or I went there and take this picture, and I've never been that way. So now I realize, oh, it's me.com.
You're right. Exactly.
So lifestyle stuff, I probably will do a little bit more, to have some, nice pictures and stuff like that, to post on my site, on my groups, as well as Twitter and Instagram. Yeah.
Perfect. Sounds great. Good job, Deborah. You're doing well. You're doing absolutely fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Just keep up the good work and just keep going. So we know people are watching. You're getting your message out there. People are responding. And you're generating a few leads, which is great.
The turkey is done.
Yeah. We'll be saying that soon in a couple of weeks.
Right.
So anything that you want to add before we end?
I wanted to ask you about ManyChat, if you have time for that real quickly.
Okay, yeah, let's real quick.
I'm going to go into my ManyChat real quickly. And I still have to do some work as to how to use this tool, but I set up as I went through all these tutorial videos and set up as much as I can to get started. I started out with, that's when I tested my live chat. Let me see if I have anything here. Oh, that was me. That's my major subscriber. I set up both a, let's see what I have here. I have this, and because again, I'm working with my group of people, so I left the heading. Let me just put this in. I figure if my group of people are going to need to read it, they're going to need this font.
Okay.
So I use the heading, the heading font, the heading section for the whole message,
Right.
because
Right.
my people need to see.
How were you able to do this? Like with the yellow and all that stuff?
Okay.
Oh, you made it like
Over
that.
here, I didn't go with the standard. I just changed the background color
Okay.
and stuff like that so that they could. My people need to see. We see better with gold and black.
Right. I love it. I didn't even know you could do that. You
Look,
know something
Dan
like
Kennedy. I got this from Dan Kennedy. No
oh,
BS marketing. Gold and black works all the
yeah.
time.
Awesome.
So I did that for my growth tool number one.
Mhm.
My thinking is, I still have to figure this out. Maybe you already have. I have to have people who are already subscribed to my messenger in order to send this out to them, correct?
Right. So you want to create a post. You want to create a post on Facebook. And remember how I said I have people saying Bitcoin and this goes out to them automatically. So yeah, I mean, there's other ways to do it, but once they say the word, they're automatically going to be subscribed to your messenger.
All right.
They
So
add them to it automatically.
is this something I have to set up here in my page for it?
No, everything's in ManyChat. So you go to your growth tools and you go to
like for instance, this is the one that I want to start to the conversation. This is the one that actually, this is on my Facebook page. This is the long story.
Right.
And then it does say, I say in the bottom here to share this, and I'm going to give the first 200 people free access to the entire course. And I asked them to say I did it.
Okay.
All right. So
I would put, I did it in quotations. Just comment and just type in the comments below in quotations. I did it. After you share and like the post. Okay. So that's what you're gonna put in ManyChat. That's the trigger words. I did it. And when they type, but you would have to get out of here. Let me just show. It's in automation, I believe. Automation. Is it automation? No, is it an automation? No, I think it's growth tools. Click on growth tools again. Click on growth tools.
Oh, go back up.
Yeah,
growth tools.
No, you should see where it says Facebook comments. Where is it?
That's where
Yeah, Facebook comments, but I thought it was in growth tools because I know I created a growth tool. Yeah, so it should be growth tools. Just create a new growth tool. Let me see if it's in here. Create a new growth tool. Oh,
you've reached the limit?
Oh.
I'm only allowed 4?
Oh, I don't know.
I have to upgrade to Pro?
I don't, but you should be able to use one, or you can edit one of these. Just click on this example pop-up. No, it's growth tools. And when you click on growth, maybe delete one of these, and then one of them that you're not using. You have an opt-in there. You have an opt-in there.
Well, yeah, I was just testing to see which one I want to use and all that kind of thing.
Because this one you're on landing page. So there's one that says Facebook comments. I think there's landing page, Facebook comments. There's different ones when you click on. Yeah, click inside of there and let's.
Hold on for a second. Here's pop-up. So I have like 4. Of course, I filled everything up because I wasn't sure which one I'd be really using. Yeah. So I said, well, let me create one for every last one of them. And then once I figure out what to do, I set up where if by chance somebody says I did it, this happens. I wasn't sure where it was going to happen, so I set them all up.
Right. Yeah.
So but whichever one doesn't work is what I'm going to change.
But you have to connect it to your Facebook Facebook page because it's going to tell you to connect. Did you connect your Facebook page at all?
Yeah. When I started out this process, I started out by connecting my page. Where it says page connection was successful.
Okay.
So that when I signed up for ManyChat, going through the tutorials, it told me to connect my page. It walked me through that process, right? Yeah. So I connected my page. I think that I did not realize I said I did it in the bottom of that post.
Right.
And so over here, the words that, let me see if it's in settings that I said, that I want them to recognize, I think it's Bitcoins, because by now, because when I first set it up was like weeks ago.
Right.
So I've learned things differently right now, recently. So I transferred over to Bitcoins, but so I think I need to change that.
Mm-hmm.
But to answer your question, I gotta play around first.
Yeah,
I even did a broadcast.
if I can remember correctly, it's under growth tools, and you create a new growth tool, and then you will delete one of these. Let's see if we can do, since you only get 4. I'm pretty sure it's growth tools.
All right, so let me just delete this one because I know how to do it again. So
let's see. Okay, so create a new growth tool.
Let's see if it'll let me do it this time.
Yeah, you see it says this is where you want to be, because you did landing page, you want to do Facebook comments. So when somebody comments on your Facebook, you see Facebook comments right here to the right? Yep.
Right here.
So when somebody comments, this is where you're going to select the post that you want to use on your page.
This is how I tie it in.
This is it. So you'll scroll through your post to see which one it is that you want to use, and then it'll say, that's where you'll do everything. I did it.
Perfect. That's the
you picked the wrong one. You picked landing page and something else. You got to do Facebook comments.
Okay.
So it'll automatically trigger when somebody says that in your comments, whatever it is that you're trying to tell them to say.
Okay.
Now, I don't know if it's going to work for a pinned post. You may have to unpin the post. I don't know. Or maybe you have to get the post ID.
Okay. Yeah, this is not pinned, and I'll be able to go back and figure this part out now that
That's what it is. It's Facebook comments under.
Okay. Excellent.
All right.
Thank you. Yep, that's it.
Awesome. Have a good day. I'll see you soon.
All right. We'll talk later.
Yep. Talk soon.
All right. Bye-bye.